on to the Sunday. Blessed Sunday morning to you all. Subscribers, viewers, bless upon yourself, man. We're out, man. Sweet river. We're going to Sweet River today. We're going to do some coconut dumpling and some curry saltfish and some hard food like banana, sweet potato, and yam and dashi. Yeah, man. Boom. We see you till when we reach for the scene. Big up on yourself.
Caribbean vibe cooking. Here one more.
Yeah man, reach for the location. Good morning viewers and subscribers. It's been a while. I'm gonna shoot a video at Sweet River Westmoreland. So today we are going to some curry saltfish with okra, some coconut dumpling. Yeah man, so we just asked them just to give you a minute just to shoot the part of the video because people up on the river, people are enjoying themselves. We don't really want to disrupt people and them party. So we just wrap up the video quick and fast so people can get to enjoy themselves.
It's a good look one.
Yo, not that. Right here.
Yeah. What's Jay with his canvas?
And the team pull it out, you know.
Gonna have to take off my socks.
Don't want the socks to take it, okay? Yeah.
And that means what that
You look a bit deep, so I have to take off the shoes, you know. Don't want my socks and my shoes get wet up. Now go across the local part of the river. You know what I think said?
Stream, my people, stream.
I look up part of the street. Now I will come further.
Yeah man, Sweet River we second home, you know.
Yes,
Yeah man, nevertheless, Jamaica is a beautiful place. We have to go foreign to experience beautiful places out there, Jamaica home.
yes, man. Good look, man. You can get go out of the world for.
Guys, we have found another spot by Sweet River. This is where the water is coming from. And also there have some little fishes in there. They look at picky them whenever you can see them. See them on move. Beautiful.
So many beautiful stream at Sweet River here. So many great location up here, so many great stream, you know. Like if you come up here, you don't really have to stay at one location. We always have option, you know. So we're gonna head back down to where all them there and just get the video wrap up before the rain come down. So yeah, soon in our kitchen.
We get the coconut grater, the coconut dumpling. The one that we have grater, it's going to need in a flour. We have grater next one and juice it and use the juice and knead the flour. Instead of water, we use the coconut juice. Real coconut dumpling we are doing.
Natural, all natural.
No artificial.
Yes, man.
No preservatives.
All natural better down. Yeah, we are out Caribbean vibes cooking. We're here one more Sunday, another beautiful Sunday. You know, we have to dig up the whole team. One team, one dream. You know, Salman do up the service city. You are usual. Better dog.
Big up, man.
We're there. See their hand busy.
Fully active.
Tina man, Sister Nadisha. You no missing but you no gone.
Yeah.
Sister come. Check in. The one you go beat your butt. Police are look to the one you
Yeah guys, welcome back to another video. We're out here in the Sunday. You know Christmas are coming, you can feel the Christmas breeze and the vibe, you know, it's just a different feeling. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Before Jay. Come on Jay.
Yeah, we just add the flour in our pot, so I'm just adding the coconut. So I combine both the coconut and the flour together before I add the water, because the coconut itself have juice in it. So if you add the water before mixing everything together, then you're going to get it too soft. So you mix out everything. Add a little bit of salt. We toss in the salt in. I go gently add some of the coconut milk. I'm sorry about the absence of us last week. You know, things was beyond our control. You know, wasn't feeling 100% when it come on to the flow. So then we take a week. So we could have used even a little bit of butter in it, but because coconut, you know, have a lot of oil in it, so. But it's optional. Taking my time on formulating the dough.
And because the passing of one of our brother, Jerky, Landelo, get killed by a hoodlum. We say condolence to the family. Pamela, I don't know, tears is the language, only God understand.
Yeah, my condolences.
Kneading coconut in a dumpling.
Yeah, rocky in it.
Yes, man. Good old coconut dumpling. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fully active.
Yeah. What a boil up. You know, so we are take out the saltfish them. Add them in just a little bit of fresh water. Just to break down the salt just a little bit more. We don't want them too fresh and we don't want them too salt. Why dog? I may tell you say brother, banana normal thing.
This bone.
Bun? Come so we can bun for you. I'll bring back no bun for you.
Alright. So we are going to put on the food pot now.
The ball go fire.
Put on the food pot.
Big
Big up brother Junior.
One team.
Swear dog behind the camera.
fully active, man.
Happy Sunday, bro.
Yes, man.
Like, share, subscribe.
God be the glory, great things you have done, you know. Yeah, man. Can't do nothing without Father God. Swear, because last week, top out, there's a part of the bronchitis, so I have always a hiccup.
Yeah.
And this week, God make it possible, so me personally can't do nothing without God.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Give thanks
Yes,
to
to the
Father
Father,
God.
man.
Yeah, man.
To God be the glory, man. Great things you have done, man. Yes, man. Fully.
Outside.
Yes, man.
River badly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fully out.
Caribbean vibes, you hear that? Yeah. Best food on the river.
Fully active.
Fully active.
Alright.
Yeah. Just put on the food pot. So I'm just gonna prep the vegetable for the curry saltfish with okra. I'm gonna just cut off the bottom of the okra. Just slice them up. So we're gonna use some okra, bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. So I'm just preparing them. Big up to Miss Chrissy behind the camera. Really appreciate the support. So Rasta, what you did?
Well, I'm there, you know. You know, it's set, you know. Caribbean vibes. We always know. The happier vibes. It's all about vibes.
What you said up on the menu today?
I will tell them it's a curry, saltfish with okra, and coconut dumpling. When we say coconut dumpling, we don't mean coconut water dumpling. We mean coconut dumpling. Greater coconut in a flour and need you. Yes, man. Fully
Okay,
active.
sir, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, I think that is loud and clear.
Brother dog, you left out your most important ingredient.
what that?
Your okra, sir.
No.
You love your okra and there it is, okay?
I wait for him to make an error.
Fully active, man. Think out.
Ingredient that you love.
Yeah. So when you come on to Caribbean Vibes Cooking, it's all about new menu, new ideas, you know, things I want my viewer and my subscriber them to try. So because the carrot is so big, so I put my hand on top and just slice it right through. Yeah, because I don't want to put it under this and then the knife cut. You know, so I gently cut up. So many ways to cut up the vegetable that you're gonna be using. Yeah, we can julienne it, we can cut them in cube. Yeah, I'm just slanting them.
So yes, Steve, in the meantime, I get the saltfish, I get the scale off my saltfish. Yeah, man, scale off my saltfish. And when we say curry saltfish with okra, oh my word. Can't wait to get in it. Yes, man, I get off the scale off it and then get it salt out. As pepper I go and salt out the vegetable then. And the pot I boil up and put in the dumpling then. Yes, man, we're there, fully active.
Yeah, so we're going through cutting up the vegetables, so we're just gonna use a green pepper. can't empty.
You can see pot soon start boil up, so I get the ground food, them go and peel up. And peel the dash in them. Yellow yam, sweet potato, and the banana. And I get them peeled up. So that means as I put in the dumpling them, I cover the pot and make it boil up again and then. And the dumpling them half cooked, I just put in the yam. The peels. You can see pot boil up now. So I get in the dumpling them like that. Now I'm being long careful, just look a small size dumpling, you know.
Yeah, Luana go eat them.
Look a small size dumpling, I'm going careful.
Yeah, we are cooking our dinner, as a Chris would have said.
Coconut turn up in the dumpling, no boy.
Have flavor, man.
Big up China, man.
You miss the one, yeah.
Look funny. Miss what? Feel my good out.
I taste of that there, you know.
If you don't bite the dumpling, I don't feel one piece of lump in it, it's a coconut. And nothing else, a coconut.
Yeah, so based upon for the amount of flour or dough, you know, me and dog choose to make them so them go more faster.
Hey.
Yes, so I slice up the food and just add them in some water just with a little bit of cooking oil. And the cooking oil now will prevent them from change color. Dashi sweet potato.
Like doggy fire give a warm time, man.
Beef, juju, in weather, inclement weather.
Wow.
Because it would be wetter.
Wow.
I know when I use stick, catch fire. Because stick can't when I cook the house pan.
Yeah, the meteorologist.
I hold
Yeah, the meteorologist.
Yeah, man. So, you have to go and work with it. So, it would be wet. So, we are getting them heated up. Yes, man.
Meteorologist. Due to the inclement weather. Boss, I use big word.
Yeah. I love it, boy, you know.
Wow. Boy, go to school, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, they say when the ship has sink, the captain I last man to come up. Well, the captain I first man now. I taste the coconut dumpling today.
Yes, man.
Jonah, you want pizza dumpling? Come in, man.
You go eat off it.
It's not that.
Brother,
You go eat off
it's
it.
like a coconut pudding.
Me nah make it meaty half, you know.
No,
Second him.
yeah.
Yeah, experiment that be gone.
Tastes like a pudding.
Nice.
And we say coconut dumpling.
You want
too, you know.
taste it?
Soft and nice.
You want taste it, my general?
How much I want?
Coconut, it's a coconut dumpling.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
You don't want no butter, brother.
Yeah, alright.
Active man.
Coconut done up in a heat with the milk, bro. I swear, right now, I need one nice saltfish. I want about 6 of this a flour.
Like when you already know me, I put piece of butter on
Me?
milk. It
Man.
Where's the Chrissy?
Done up.
Me right now, me have a butter, me I take out. When I don't play, I put the butter on the and milk.
You the drop out of your mouth or your hat.
Get a run for the channel.
Yes, man. But they are man, fully active, man. The team out. Can't wait to get
What?
it out.
coconut turn up in a hit, brother. And I tell you, it's full of flavor. It come like a sweet potato pudding when you taste the coconut milk in a hit.
Yes, the coconut in it.
Good old sweet river with there, man. Yes, man, the place, man, the food place, man. Yeah, peeps, so you can see coconut dumpling finally ready. So you take off the pot. Watch coconut up front on top. Whoa. Can't wait to get tonight. So you take off it right now. Get on the saltfish.
Hey, when me a boy, you know, when all the food all are cooking, man, I pot water is the best part, you know, man.
Yes.
We don't want bust all gas, you know, man. I pot water, you know, man. I say, mama beg you some of pot water, then. When I drink it, man, load of one plate. Burp.
Make sure you subscribe to Caribbean and hit that notification bell, you know?
And subscribe and like all I video them. Yes.
So we are going to saute some curry. Yeah, we are saute some curry. So we are use some garlic. Yeah, so we are burn the curry, you know. Yeah, see the color of the curry looking good. Yeah. So we are going to add some bell pepper, chopped carrot. So we are saute the vegetable. Yeah. Dog, you flip there on me. I wish one away.
You do it, man.
Now, sir, you man.
But they behind the camera, we can't do it.
Come on, so we are saute with vegetable, you know?
Fully active.
Yeah. So curry saltfish today with okra. We are adding the saltfish. So we're going to add the okra or just chop up. Smell that, Chrissy? What you smell?
Everything, the season, the saltfish. Yo, we just want for that one.
Dive in it.
Dive in. Not even get in it,
Pretty
eh?
would ask one thing, police
I look for it.
Michael.
Remember, like, share, subscribe, and also comment and share the video too. Alright.
Yeah, so we are toss it a little bit more. So you know we are going to add a little cracked pimento seed. Adding a little all-purpose season. We're just gonna add just a little bit of water. We're gonna cover it, we're gonna allow it just to steam a little bit. Yeah, so the okra can steam just a little bit. Because we don't want the vegetable to be overcooked, we just want to blanch it a little bit.
Yes, yeah. Much color, man.
what we done, you know. Caribbean vibes. Yeah, look at that.
Peeps, the taster is not here. That's
So.
Chinaman. So Juna take over tasting.
Alongside
Chrissy.
boss lady.
Yes.
Oh my word.
Oh. Fully active.
I can't even talk. I want you want it.
Really nice. Curry saltfish.
Wow.
Right.
Bomb. Really good.
That's your peeps. Pretty like, oh my word.
Rich and nice. Yeah. This. Yeah.
Guess who arrived? Oh my word. Fully active. Yes man, the day man. Oh.
Respect every time.
Fully active.
Right, that's all. That's every time, bro. Skinny that. I know your birthday to that skinny. So I'm gonna buy a beer for your birthday, brother.
Brother. It's
Which is right, you know, we're under the good.
fully out.
Say no more. You know, Caribbean vibe cooking.
National Housing Trust.
Active.
We want a sponsor for NHT. We want a sponsor from NHT. Fully active. Oh.
Pop forward. When are they beer?
My yacht, half is mine. Half is my yacht.
Alright, that's all. Watch them, that's all.
Ah, great man. Fully out. Ah, oh my word. That's my little bro. That's my little bro. Golly God. Yes, man.
No, say you all on me.
You 1 month old on me.
That's my little bro. Yeah.
April, May. So June, July, August.
Yo, this is not us, cousin. Mrs. Cousin.
No,
President cousin.
Fully out my
they
team.
all look for me.
Oh my God.
I go on him because they're pretty.
Oh yeah, me. Fully active. Yo. Oh my word. Yes, man.
Yeah, man, you feel ugly. Man, not for pretty, me dog. Man, for coarse.
What's your friend, man? What's your friend, man?
Wildlife to the fullest.
Fully
And a
active.
child, we a child life. You know, it's a wild out life.
Great man.
Yeah.
Fully out.
Look
My
my
brother.
boss. African.
Oh, the one
Check
time.
your boss being him. African.
Fully.
Them man come from Africa.
Ah.
Watch your beats them.
What you mean,
King
sir?
Selassie and Pitney. Check him.
Oh my word. My brother just a forward. Mr. Chin. Boy, they don't want somebody to taste part, but Juna take over tasting.
I'm a brother, man. I'm not a mother. That's how you go, you know.
Fully active.
You have to do it for the two.
Yes,
First
man.
selfish. You know, yam dumpling.
And
butter,
coconut dumpling.
Coconut dumpling. That will be, I'm anticipated for a long time. For
Yes, man.
Coconut dumpling. We show the niggas them how we do it, you know?
Yes, man.
Because we know we can do it.
Yes, man, because they say they cook coconut dumpling now.
Yeah, man.
And you have to grate the coconut and knead it in the flour.
True.
Yes, but then they say they cook coconut dumpling.
And I use the water.
Coconut water dumpling.
Coconut
now,
juice. No.
Fully active. Caribbean vibe. And we put the C in a cooking done.
Yeah, to the flipping world.
Alright, fully
Art
active.
love.
Yeah, dog say ship come ashore. Boss the behind the camera today, guys. They are limited when they come out to share it.
Yes,
Ah.
man. Fully.
That means the food I go eat up.
Eat
That you mean, man. Make it go along, man.
Yes, man.
You know what I mean, dog? The ancestors, them. Man.
Yes, man, we can't come and give them now. We have to give them some mic now.
Brother China, man. Brother Juna.
See them there. Yes, man.
Miss Chrissy.
Yeah.
Miss Cam.
There, man.
Miss Sata. First, me I say big up everybody who always a support Caribbean vibes.
Fully
You
active.
know what I mean?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Tristan. One love, brother. Yeah.
Birthday, bro.
Right there, sir, dog.
Fully active.
Every time, brother.
As what my friend has said, 1 more year for the buck of them.
Every time.
Bless up yourself.
See, I heard that.
Fully.
My respect, see
Oh.
you, bro.
Yes, man.
Solid.
Caribbean vibes to the fullest.
Right, that's
Bless and love.
every time, bro. My
Yeah.
respect. Solid, fam, solid. Up, bro. So good, yeah, man. Link it up.
Man, call.
My bro. Bless
Yeah,
up
man,
yourself.
dog, man. You see me?
Thank you.
Man.
Yeah.
Sister be of him 1 pavilion.
Yeah. Watch my brother and share the food. Curry saltfish with the put that dumpling on my world.
Hola,
Mm.
Caribbean vibes, big up myself.
Yes, man.
And I left out myself. Oh, Caribbean vibes, full of vibes. Vibes never left with. Oh, we are the vibes, so if I left with.
Mm.
Tell them that. Oh, what? Look at my cousin is pretty shit. Prettiest girl in my party, my cousin. Me don't ugly cousin for it.
I'm trying to do it so everybody can actually taste the curry saltfish because not many persons actually ever tasted curry saltfish, so I wanted everyone to at least have a say.
Yeah, man. Outside. Finally, I go eat now. Check in the park. See that bush with it.
Mud.
Park active.
What is this? Curry saltfish?
Curry saltfish and coconut dumpling. Yes, good. Feel good.
First, me and me. Yeah. I was sure I want some now.
Just say how it dumpling tastes.
Dumpling come like I put on your grandma bake you. Yeah.
Fully active, man.
Yeah.
Big up the chef.
It's a good look, man. And we say cooking now, we put the scene of cooking on. Caribbean vibes, we flipping world. Big up on yourself. Done one.
I'm mad this food. It's a food that beat up people.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Rasta cook it, you know.
Ah.
You know what I want to taste? A cow bone. I say
Curry pork bone.
Curry pork bone. And that
Fully
one
active,
taste.
man. You get it, man. What you say, man?
Alright, Rasta cook it, you know.
We need to get a number to make it tell how when we are going to do it.
Alright, no
Yes,
problem.
Man. Fully active.
Alright.
Bro, G.
Yeah, man, food ball. Up.
Yes, man. Fully.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, bro, you know what I think about fast, man. Seafood, you know, bro. All the yam. Dog, you know, normal, you know. Dog.
Yeah.
Normal, you know, bro. My respect. I know you're my sweet potato.
Yeah.
Drive it.
Yeah, sweet potato, yellow yam.
Yeah.
Machine.
Solid.
Banana. Fully active.
Curry saltfish. Solid. Mad. Watch your dumpling, watch ya. The dumplings are mad, bro. See a word, bro, man.
Fully.
Uptown, man.
Oh, I'm thinking about it come like me, mash up.
Best thing.
Curry,
Yeah.
saltfish, coconut dumpling.
Caribbean vibes. Maddish. I tell you, this wicked. First nice thing. Curry saltfish. Yeah.
Bro, G.
I'm there, I warm up and wait for my turn.
I can't wait, man.
Talk, I wait for get in a hit.
Yes,
I
man.
tell you, oh my word, look at this plate. Beautiful. Curry saltfish, okra. You don't know you have your
Dashi.
coconut dumpling with the dashing and banana on the side. Oh my word, can't wait to get in a hit. You have to take a piece of dog language. Remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel and also beat up the notification bell
Fully active.
all times.
Yes, man.
Beautiful.
You didn't get your food yet?
Yeah, man, we get the food I eat already.
No, son, no, tell me that. You don't get your food yet.
We get the food already.
No?
bit
Get the
off
food
me.
dog while we get the food.
Watch him out. Look at him out, people. Tell him out, look at him get food.
Get over here, yeah!
Hey.
My food nice. Really nice. I like the curry saltfish and the coconut dumpling salad. Tastes good.
Rastafari, where is it?
Which bet man is good, man?
Eh?
Sweet.
Yes, man. Fully active.
Every man. Anytime.
Yeah. Come on, come on.
So guys, right here we have coconut dumpling. Yeah man, it's so sharp. And I first never see it. Curry saltfish, look at it. Bomba! Tastes good, man.
Yeah, it's actually nice. I love it. The dumpling. Don't mind my hair right now, but the food tastes good. It's my first time eating curry saltfish, and it's really nice. Honestly, honest to God, murder, murder.
When you say police, I look for that one.
Bomba! Police, I'm gonna lock him up.
Oh.
You kind of give people good food, yeah?
Yo, look for the man more people.
Can't talk.
What you man more?
Good old coconut dumpling. Watch out.
Almighty God, Sata, you see that?
I will have that.
Boy, body the mouth.
Man.
That's why Nadisha married to him, man.
Son, God.
That you call one bite.
He bite him weird than Nadisha hard.
These coconut dumplings are so small. One bite. I can't taste the flavor of coconut. Oh my word. I wish a coconut dumpling to you. Oh my word. Everybody can bite to taste the coconut. Curry saltfish with okra. What's up? Oh my word. China. Wait, guys. Umbrella. Oh my word. Cool look, man. Like, share, subscribe to the Big Bird channel, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Curry saltfish, cooked down with okra, and coconut dumpling. Boom.
People, look who pass through. Stop laughing, man. You laugh too much, man.
Too bad, man. Coconut dumpling, curry saltfish. We got okra. Comes up my first night, eat curry saltfish. Tastes good, man. I like the coconut dumpling.
People. The sweetness to me, I think alright. It's got me. I want to sleep. I feel good. Yeah.
Peeps, are ready to go to the history plug.
Yeah, man, and I can go on, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm right here.
Nobody not to win.
And canvas there.
Canvas there. What up with that canvas?
Yeah, my peeps, I'm here. I'm on my last one. Coconut dumpling, oh my word. Oh my word. Brother dog. Tall man, did it for 1 year time and then look at this.
Fully active, brother.
Fully auto. My subscribers, remember, big up on yourself. Without you know we can't do it. Love and respect and always Father God. Now every time. Okay, make it good.
Why? I have to make sure that everybody get their food. Me the last man I eat. I swear. But it's a good look. You know, so as a chef, we have always play new ideas or create a new menu. You know, so a person can relate to it. And you know, we're at Sweet River, Westmoreland. It's not the first time we're shooting video here, it's not the last. It's one of our brands where we shoot videos to give you guys good content. You know, so we just dip on the vlog, man, and shoot up video. Make sure so you guys can relate to the great content. Yeah, man, you know what you're doing, man. Like, comment, and share, man. Subscribe, man, for more video.
Uncle Jonah.
Sir, we're here, you know?
Live.
Yeah. Live and living colors. Right now, work not done. And the farm and believe.
Brother, awake?
Yeah. I'm awake. I'm alive.
Alright, sir. You see?
They are one easy.
Come.
I think about him when I
Big
want.
baby, you just see me big baby come up.
Big baby, walk on. What is everything alright? Huh? Everything good? Fully active.
Boy, it don't full in belly and want to sleep.
Alright. Fully active. The team out.
Yeah.
And once more, bro, happy Earth Strong, bro. More life. You know, one more year for the bug of them, you see me? Yeah, man, so it's a half a eating celebration with the general himself, you know what I mean?
One more year to the
Yeah, man, it's always great.
every time.
Always great to celebrate our brother Earth Strong. You know, because like tomorrow promise to nobody, so we don't wait for the day. We say, bro, we love you, bro. You know, we love you, bro, and we wish you all the best, bro. Yes, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, man, there crush up a gum spliff.
Yeah,
The whole know
always,
hash, see
always.
the real hash. With coach we are going about and we done.
Big man. Watch your big man. Big man. Watch your big man, you know, you know.
I said, me look white for the camera.
Great man. Fully active.
Let me light
All
up.
of our respect.
Check, bro. Run on.
Bridge back to the world, man.
Right at the
Yeah, man.
Out.
Right to the world.
Yeah, man.
Pops now, right now.
Yeah, Pops, you know what?
Oh, yeah, me.
Enjoy to the world, you see?
Yes, man. Fully out.
After dinner,
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Caribbean vibes, they flipping around. Ah,
To give our viewers and subscribers the best,
yes,
we
man.
have to reach to the star, you know what I mean?
Yes, man.
Shout out again to GoPro Hero.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a promotion, but they don't know. Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it.
Fully out, man, a woman. Caribbean vibes. Like, share, and comment.
We're out.
We're out.
Boom.
See you in the next video. Boom.